Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. Today's reading, we'll be picking cards for your daily energy, for your career situation, your relationship, and your oracle guidance, guys, Virgos. So let's start with the daily reading first. We'll be picking the cards first, guys, for your daily energies. These are for your daily energies, Virgos. Three cards here for your daily energies, for your career situation and love energy. We'll be picking cards from this deck, guys, from another deck. So three cards each for your career situation and your love energy, guys. One more card here and three cards for your relationship and one card from this oracle guidance. Virgos, I'll leave it here. We will open these cards as we proceed, guys. For your daily reading first, Virgos, Temperance in reverse, 10 of stars in reverse, and 10 of suns in reverse, guys. With these cards, guys, the energy for y'all is that today you may be quite emotional, feeling really sad or stressed, thinking of something, and you may be quite furious because of certain things going in a particular way, or you may be angry with some people, but Virgos, we also see that there are people who are working against you. That may be the reason you are quite angry, emotional or furious today, and people plotting against you. They want to pull you down, work against you, guys, and for some of you it may result in these worries may be the reason for you feeling down, sad, depressed, or even some minor illness. You may be feeling really worried, but I also see here that things will improve. Today will begin to improve. You will see that temporarily things may cool down a bit because of your approach. Maybe you need to change your attitude today, guys, your temperament in this circumstance. So if you go for that, you can ignore the quarrels or some clash of your ideas maybe in some circumstance. So when you give up that clash, or when you avoid that fights or some stressful circumstance, and you will be able to see the truth. And the important thing, Virgos, for y'all today is that you have to have that balance. You have to try to have that balance no matter what your situation is. So instead of taking one side in any argument or any stressful circumstance, when you keep when you have one foot on each side, you will see that things will go progress in a much more productive way. So patience is what is called for today, Virgos. But I also see here that you are quite impatient today, guys. That is what I see with these cards for your daily reading. Let us see what is coming with your career situation, Virgos. So these are the cards: the Star in reverse, 9 of Pentacles, and 7 of Pentacles. And with these cards for your career situation, guys, maybe because of the way things are going, or maybe because of your position in work, your authority or power that you hold in your work situation, the way you behave. It may be something like people may see you as an arrogant person, and for some of you, things are going right. You are able to accomplish whatever you have planned for yourself, some projects or some financial investments, whatever it is, you are able to accomplish that, and you will be tasting success today, guys. And though I see success with these cards, some accomplishments, there are certain obstacles that you're facing, maybe your own attitude today in this circumstance, or it may be the people's attitude who are there working with you. There are some stressful situations, guys, some quarrels or some fights or some misunderstandings in your career situations. The people you work with, they may not, or you may not have that perfect understanding with them, so that may lead to some kind of stress in your career situation. But I also see here that you will be happy finally, guys. It may be something minor, these clash of ideas that you have in your career situation. So it may resolve, and you may see that things are finally cooling down. So let us see what are these cards for your relationship, guys. It's 9 of Cups, the Devil in reverse, and 10 of Cups. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, you have that happiness, contentment, and joy in this relationship. You feel that perfect understanding with this person. You have that perfect understanding. But the thing that is bothering you both is some kind of addiction. It may be the addiction this person has, some kind of habits maybe. So they need to overcome it. They are trying really hard, guys. They are in depression maybe. That is the reason they are not able to come out of these addictions. They depend on these habits to have that happiness in their life. So they need your help. They are sad and depressed today, and quite impatient also. They want to overcome these addictions, but they don't have that strength to do that. So that is what I see here. But apart from that, they love you, they care for you, and you care for them. But these addictions are the reason for things going downhill in this connection, guys. So let us see what is your oracle guidance. What is the card? Come to the edge. So this card just means that in our situation today, guys, it may be in our career situation or in our personal life, in this relationship, guys, we have to be ready to take that leap of faith, overcome that fear and accept that risk. So sometimes in our circumstance, we may not know what will come in the future, and this is the time to have faith in ourselves and have that belief that all things that are destined to come towards us will surely come. Listen to your heart and not your head, and move forward in life, guys. And fear is the only thing that will lead us into the things that we do not need. So we have to give up fear today, have that courage, and when we do that, we will see that whatever is unfolding, when we take that next step forward, the results will be amazing. So that is what I see with this card, guys, Virgo. So you can take that risk today. Take that leap of faith. Have courage in your heart and go forward with that next step. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.